This is going to be a super quick video on the Honda NX500 top 5 features. And the first one can be felt as soon as you sit on the bike. For me, number one is the weight of this bike. This bike comes in at 196 kilos wet. It's light. Flick it between the legs, moving around the car park, filtering through traffic, doesn't matter. It's light and it feels it. Number two then for me is the styling and the looks of it. I think when a manufacturer takes its time on making a smaller, cheaper bike look as good as it does, I've got time for that. There are 3 different colours, but for me, I think this black and red combo hits the spot. Number 3 then is going to be the price. This price comes in under £7,000, which in today's market you can't complain about. I'm looking at test riding the new M1000XR very soon, and that bike as standard comes in at 22.5 grand. You then add in the competition package and it's 27.5 grand. This under 7 grand stock. And that's what you need. You need the cheaper bikes to not only look good but perform well, to start getting new riders into this world, because otherwise we're just going to be old dinosaurs and there's going to be no one there to maintain the motorcycle legacy. It's just going to die out and we'll be on electric scooters in no time. Number 4 then is Honda have quite a few different packs for this bike, so you can kit it out. So this one has currently got the adventure pack. It's got the screen, it's got crash bars, it's got the fog lights. It's customizable, and that's what I like about it. If you want to do more touring, you can get luggage. If you want to do more off-road, you've got all the protection. So having the capability to be able to customize this from the factory is decent. Oh yes. Ugh. And then whilst we're sat behind yet another tractor, we'll talk about number 5. For me, it is the ease of riding this bike. It's comfortable, it's in a kind of neutral, natural riding position. It's light, the throttle response is really smooth, the gear changes are smooth, just all of it as a package makes riding this bike really easy. And again, like I said, for a bike that is A2 compliant, it's perfect for those newer riders, but then I think it's got enough about it to keep the older senior riders engaged. Just not a wing mirror that does up. Just roll on the throttle, picks up nicely. It's not too aggressive, it's not going to catch you out, and you can start banking it in these corners. Well guys, I told you this would be a quick video, and that was it. My top 5 features of the new NX500 for 2024. Make sure you subscribe and stick around for plenty more content coming very soon. Now that summer is here, until next one, ride safe.